Proteins play a diverse role within all organisms. Around 18% of your body is made from these biological molecules. Proteins can be grouped based on their functions. This includes as enzymes, which are biological catalysts that control biochemical reactions. Examples include pepsin, which is responsible for breaking down proteins. As signal proteins, these carry messengers around the body, for example, in insulin, which is a hormone that is important for the control of glucose in the blood. As structural proteins that form part of the body of an organism, for example, collagen that makes up tendons and ligaments, and keratin, the major component of hair. As contractile proteins, which are involved in movement, for example, actin and myosin, which are the proteins important for muscle contraction. As storage proteins, for example, casein, present in milk, or albumin, present in egg. As protection, for example, are antibodies, which are important for the fight against pathogens. And finally, in transport, as seen in hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the red blood cells. Proteins are polymers made from repeating monomers called amino acids. There are 20 different types of amino acids. Some of these amino acids are made by the body and are referred to as non-essential, and some need to be obtained from food, which are essential. These amino acids can join together to form long polypeptide chains. Amino acids have 4 parts to them, as can be seen here. The amino group, which is the basic part of the molecule, the carboxyl group, the acidic part of the molecule, the hydrogen atom, and the R group. Each amino acid will have a different R group. Amino acids are described as amphoteric. They have both acidic and basic properties when dissolved in water. The carboxyl group is able to donate protons so that the molecule becomes negatively charged when in an alkali solution. The amino group is able to accept protons so the molecule becomes positively charged when in an acidic solution. This ability to donate or receive protons causes amino acid to behave as a buffer. A buffer is able to resist changes in pH. This system is important in the human body, keeping the pH of the blood within tolerable levels. In the same way 2 monosaccharides can bond together to form disaccharide, 2 amino acids can bond to form a dipeptide. This is another example of a condensation reaction as seen with carbohydrates, and water is also eliminated. The bond between the 2 molecules is called a peptide bond. In the same way a glycosidic bond can be broken down in hydrolysis reactions by the addition of water, peptide bonds can be broken down in the same way. Hi, my name is Mr. Science, aka Salim. If you're new to the channel, please remember to like and subscribe, and for more teaching resources you can visit my website at www.mrscience.co.uk.